In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Constant Contact. Whether you're designing an email for a campaign or just experimenting with templates, a fresh background can really make your message pop. Let's dive in and go through the steps one by one to make this process as smooth as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and search for Constant Contact. Once you've located the official site, head over there to begin. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Login. This option should be visible on the home page, inviting you to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you've already sorted that out, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, locate the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, guiding you towards starting something new. Clicking on Create is your first step toward putting together your email masterpiece. This will bring up various options, and you'll want to select Send an Email. Choosing this option will direct you to your email creation space. When you arrive at the template section, look for Start from Blank. By selecting this, you can customize every aspect of your email without any pre-filled designs getting in your way. It's the perfect blank canvas for your creative endeavors. Once you're in the design view, click on the Design tab. This area is where you can unleash your creativity and customize the look and feel of your email. You will find a pencil icon here. Clicking on this will open a design menu with multiple background options. Take a moment to explore these options and choose your desired background color. Don't hesitate to experiment with different shades. Sometimes a slightly different hue can dramatically change the impression your email leaves. After selecting your background, click the left arrow. This gesture will help you navigate back if you choose to reconsider any of your previous selections or wish to apply further changes. Also note that you can modify the inner border to complement your chosen background color. It's these small details that often make a big difference. For a more cohesive look, click on the color next to it. With these steps, you now have a beautifully updated background in your Constant Contact email. Play around with it and find the combination that best suits your needs. Remember, the visual appeal of your email can significantly impact its effectiveness. By enhancing this aspect, you'll be more likely to engage your audience effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing!